This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Northern Henrico. Today we're going to take a look at a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. This home is situated here in a nice, quiet location. We actually have cul-de-sac location, and if you've been watching for any amount of time, you know that I'm a big fan of cul-de-sacs because not only do you typically get a nice big lot in the rear, but you also don't have a lot of traffic. The only traffic coming through are going to be the 2 or 3 cars that belong to your neighbors. And so great location if you have little ones or pets. You're not going to have cars coming through at 30, 40, 50 miles per hour. This is a great location. I like Northern Henrico for a few reasons. Number one is it's a little bit more budget friendly than the West End and Short Pump. And a lot of people love that fact. In addition, you were still close to a lot of the amenities that the western part of the county has to offer. Northern Henrico has its own infrastructure in regard to retail, restaurants, shopping. But then if you really want to expand the options, Western Henrico is not that far away. Special thanks to Zamora Wilson, listing agent that was kind enough to allow us to come out and take a look at her beautiful listing. If you've been a subscriber for a few years, you know, a couple Mother Days ago, I did a little event. We brought together some creatives here in Metro Richmond, and we did a mommy makeover for a more senior mom. She had grown children, but we did a hair, nails, makeup, got a little wardrobe activity going on, and they did a photo shoot for her. I'll link that previous video down below in the comment section. But this year, for Mother's Day season, I wanted to recognize a new mom. And when I say new mom, I'm talking 3rd trimester mom. So if you are in that situation, just shoot me a text message. If you know someone, my number will be below. Have them go ahead, shoot me a text. We'll pick 1 or 2 special moms and then go from there. I, of course, have never been a mom, but I definitely appreciate everything they do for us. Moms are unsung heroes here in our society, and we only really formally recognize them once a year with Mother's Day, but moms should really be celebrated every day of the year because they do so much to keep everyone going, keep things on track, and of course, they provide life for us and sustain us. Dads, of course, have their role too, but everybody knows that moms pick up the majority of the heavy lifting. Okay, we can see here on the exterior, up top, the gold is going to be aluminum siding, and then of course we have partial brick as well. I just walked around. We've got a nice big lot here in the rear. This is a fenced lot here. Primarily, we don't have a fence coming across here, but that's an easy remedy if somebody wants to completely fence the backyard. The home does convey with a storage building there in the distance. All right, here on the front, you can see we've got a nice porch. It is staged with a couple of chairs. Great place to sit out. Today we have a beautiful spring day, and the sun is shining, the sky is blue, a little bit of a breeze, a nice looking front yard. So let's go on in and take a look and see what this beautiful home has to offer. Okay, as we come in to our foyer area, we've got a few choices. We're going to start here to the right. We have a coat closet, of course, convenient to our front door. We have stairs going up, stairs going down, walkway back to our kitchen. Then here to the left, this is going to be our formal living room, and this is a beautiful space. Notice we've got gorgeous wood floors here throughout this room. Nice and bright, 2 windows let in loads of natural light. We also have an opening here to our dining room. This is going to be a formal dining room. I love the flow here because if you're entertaining, you of course could have guests here in the living room. And then of course, Some gathering here in the dining room. Our dining room features chair rail here all the way around. Once again, we've got that beautiful wood floor here throughout this space. Directly ahead, our passage into the kitchen. And let's take a look and see what our kitchen has to offer. Love the fact here that we've got distinct rooms. I know a lot of people are not huge fans of the open concept, so this offers a little variety here. That's one of the great things about Central Virginia real estate is no matter what you want, pretty much we can find it here, whether it be single family, condos, townhomes, historic properties, brand new construction, you name it, we have it here. Your fridge would go right there. And I like the fact that we have a nice bright white kitchen here. Plenty of light through that window, wall oven, and a microwave there. And then of course, space here for our dinette. So you've got not only informal dining, but also the formal dining room that we just left. Okay, we are going to continue. I'm going to start you downstairs here on this home. Go down 3 steps. Here to the left is going to be our dedicated utility room. Now, this is one of the things that we get in older homes that we don't see as much today in new construction. This is a dedicated utility room. Of course, we've got the door going off to the backyard, washer and dryer in place. That's going to be a Trane heat pump, and that heat pump is relatively new. So you've got the benefit of newer systems here in this beautiful home. In addition to, we've got a newer roof. So those are going to be your 2 high-dollar systems that have already been taken care of and are going to provide many years of useful life. This is our downstairs bedroom. So this is convenient if you have perhaps a teenager, maybe an independent 5-year-old, or just a family member that doesn't really want to be bothered with the rest of y'all. This might be the appropriate bedroom for them. And so they've got enough space here. If they wanted to do a queen size bed, they could easily do that here and be right next to our powder room. Love the fact that we have a newer vanity, nice granite top there on that vanity, and really good looking tile floors as well. As we come out and turn, this is going to be our family room. So we are actually on grade. This is not below grade because we have a door that is right there in the corner. That's going to take us out to the driveway. So super convenient if you wanted to come in this way. Instead of walking all the way around to the front door, you could of course do so. This room features a wood stove, and wood stoves are fabulous for producing heat. A traditional fireplace does not produce a lot of heat. The heat mostly goes right up the chimney, but a wood stove actually produces heat that will, in many cases, warm the entire home in case of emergency. So a lot of people love that convenience when needed. Okay, I'm gonna take you up here now to the top level. Actually, this is the middle level. We have a level that's actually above this. We are now on the front of the home. This is gonna be a secondary bedroom. Once again, we've got these beautiful wood floors, our closet directly ahead, and then here to the right, it's gonna be bedroom number 3. Once again, another really good sized bedroom. You could get a king size bed in here with no problem. So one of the things to keep in mind is if you are thinking about selling your home, exposure is key. And one of the things that I've worked hard at over the years is giving my sellers maximum exposure. Of course, if you were selling your home and I was the listing agent, your home would be on video. And of course, that's going to mean in the first week or so, we are going to get probably a couple thousand views. I give a guarantee with my listings. If we don't get a certain number of views in the first week, then I work for free. And I don't know anyone else in the business that gives you that type of exposure guarantee. So I'm very proud of that, and definitely proud that I have one of the strongest marketing programs here in all of Central Virginia. Okay, that was our hall bath. I'm now going to take you into the primary bedroom and suite. As you can see, we are staged with a king-size bed. Love this room because we've got 2 closets. Now, when these homes were built, it was not common to have that much closet space. So in older homes, it's really nice to see a wall full of closets here. And this wall is probably about 13 feet or so long. So that's a nice complement of closet space. 2 windows allow natural light in. And this is kind of a unique feature here. We've got a dedicated makeup table here. And of course, you can sit there and utilize that mirror. You've got a little storage as well next to our linen closet. If you're not the type of person that does makeup, then you could actually convert that space and make that a really neat extra large linen closet. So a lot of possibilities. Got a stand-up shower here with dual shower head and our renovated bathroom. I love our vanity top there. That's going to be I believe that's a quartz material, and just some really nice looking fixtures. Love the neutral paint. This is a very, very light gray with maybe just a touch of purple in it. I can see that this home was beautifully staged by Hardesty Homes. They do fabulous work here in Central Virginia. Wow, okay, so that was the primary suite. But ladies and gentlemen, we have more. And I'm gonna take you up to the top level. Things really change here. We go up these 5 steps. And now we get into the walnut colored room here. This one features 2 closets. We've got one right here. And then on the opposite side, we have another. So this home would be well suited for a multi-generational family, because now you've got multiple large bedrooms that could actually be primary bedrooms. And this one definitely does not disappoint. There's a lot of space here. So a king-size bed, a sitting area, even a desk and some chairs would not be a problem here in this very large room. If it were not needed as a bedroom, this would be a great playroom. It could double as a home theater, craft room. There's just so many options here in this gorgeous home. This is a high bedroom count for this size. And to do all of this under $400,000 in Henrico with renovated spaces is not going to be super easy to find, especially as time goes on. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help. I can reach on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, and YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Be sure to nominate third trimester mom, and we'll pick one here within the next few days. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Have a great day.